Energy is essential to our everyday life. It heats our buildings, lights our streets, and powers our companies. But as the world is growing, so does our need for cleaner and more efficient energy. And to achieve that, we need better and more innovative energy products. And that has been our mission for more than 125 years. We make cables and provide solutions to the world's power grid that have been engineered to last and perform in any environment and any situation, every time, every day. Across the many countries where we operate and thousands of projects in which we participate, this is who we are and how we deliver lasting value for our customers. Our low-voltage cables are part of one of the most advanced infrastructural achievements of mankind, supplying power to hundreds of millions of people throughout the world. Behind every socket and every power outlet, there is a gigantic and complicated grid with millions of miles of cables that connects everything from private homes to hospitals.
We are working at a hospital outside Herning called Gødstrup. NKT cables on this type of rollers is easy to transport, easy to move, so it's easy to move areas and also have a lot of type of cables in a small amount, so we can do construction here.
We've always been committed to finding ways to improve our products for the benefit of our customers, improve their work routines and create a better working environment with fewer accidents and time-saving solutions. It's about simple products that simply work.
It's a quality product also. I've been working with it before. Easy to work with, light to handle, also to order and operate overall.
Across the many countries where we operate, our low-voltage cables have always been part of the foundation, not just for building cities, but for building the homes where people live their lives. It's a question of trust.
Vi er ved at lave det, vi kalder en råhusinstallation. Det er startfasen i et hus, hvor vi begynder at trække de forskellige kabler og ledninger. Vi anvender NKT i alle vores huse og andre projekter, og det har vi gjort i rigtig mange år, fordi det må ikke gå galt. Hvis vi anvender nogle produkter, der lettere bliver beskadiget, kan det få store konsekvenser, for vi kan ikke skifte kablerne efterfølgende. Så det er uhyre vigtigt, at vi kan stole på, at produkterne er helt i top, og det kan vi.
No matter the project, no matter the country, one thing stays the same. Our dedication to providing true value to our customers with the services and products we provide. It is our customers' needs and our ability to provide them with safe and reliable products that keeps us innovative and keeps driving us forward. We take pride in being an essential part of the world's power grid and are passionate about designing sustainable energy solutions for tomorrow. We go wherever we are needed. High sea, the mountains, or the big city, we are there, making sure that every cable, every connection, every termination works perfectly. We are NKT, and our passion brings power to life.